What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today I'm gonna be working on the 350Z. I'm gonna try to finish gutting the car and finish sanding the car so we can get it ready for primer. But about the gutting part, I'll show you what the guys did when I got bored. So don't mind the Mexican music blasting in the background from the neighbors right now. But we have the top liner and a bunch of other interior parts, which I don't know if I should try to sell this stuff because it works, or I don't want to be wasteful. I don't want to just throw stuff in the trash. But I got bored, clearly, and I just start doing random stuff like taking my car apart or, you know, other stuff. So first of all, you guys are going to see we finally got the overspin on the car, the body kits on the car. Not permanently, not the back at least, because I have to bolt that on there. But side, overs, and then the rear one. This one's gonna have to be bolted on because it's on there right now, but And you guys probably looking at this like, if you guys did see the other one, you'll be able to tell the difference. So when we were installing the overs, the struts for this went out on the other one, and we were holding the window up with a freaking block of wood, piece of wood. Long story short, back window got busted out, and the cheapest option was to buy one off of Facebook Marketplace. This thing cost me $50, so this is what I'll be going with. Obviously have some holes right here. I'm either gonna patch those or I'm gonna put a duck bill on the car. But besides that, this just really needs to just be resanded again and maybe get some filler in this spot. I don't know what happened to this. Besides that, the car is almost ready for primer. You know, still missing little parts like this. I gotta buy stuff like that. But other than that, the car is almost there. It's looking 10 times better than what it looked like when we first got it. If you guys do remember what it looked like. But yeah. So as you guys can see, this is gone. I'm gonna have to tuck some wires. And yeah, took the whole ceiling out. And the center console is gone. I'm gonna clean that up, make it look better, clearly, but let's see. All of this is gone now as well. Pretty see-through, and you can still see a bunch of broken glass in the car from when the back windshield broke. But yeah, why? Because race car. I mean, I guess I really got bored, watched a couple of videos, saw other people were doing similar things, and said, why not? So today, I'm gonna end up taking out the carpet. Probably gonna take out the seats just so we can get the rest of the carpet out, put the seats back, and before the car is finished, I'm gonna end up having a bucket seat for the driver's side at least. Because obviously this one's torn. But let's get to work. So we got the seat out, and as you guys can see, it's very nasty in here. I would vacuum all of this out, but I mean, I'm gonna take it out, so there's no point. It's gonna be kind of hard getting that one out because the car is dead. I mean, I guess it doesn't really matter anymore right now because there's no seat, so I can't move the car anyways. But yeah, so we're just gonna start on this side, get this carpet out, try to get it cleaned up as much as we can. Probably gonna vacuum the rest of that glass out. And yeah, create more work that didn't need to be added. as you guys can see, we got the carpet out finally. It's actually cleaner to a degree, obviously, besides some of this dirt and stuff. Forgot about all this crap. I'm probably gonna have to get some dry ice to get the rest of this sound denting and stuff out. And like, you know, stuff like this, like really? Foam. I mean, I guess it's a part of sound denting, but it's like stuff like this. Are you serious? Probably should put my glove back on for that. But I'm gonna try to get this as cleaned up as best as I can today, and then we'll try to get the rest of the carpet on the other side out. So for the most part, the driver's side is clean as it's gonna be for the moment. So now I'm just gonna take the passenger seat out and do the same thing. Kind of gonna be a struggle because of how the car is positioned, but we're gonna figure it out. That didn't sound good. So this is what we're looking like with my big kid seat. It's pretty spacious in here. It's kind of echoing now, I guess. Obviously, because we don't have any sound deadening, so I do feel like there's a lot of space now. I'm not gonna lie though. But yeah, that's what the carpet looks like. And yeah, about to do the same exact thing on the other side. Of course, I love it. Also going to be getting a harness with the car, for the car, pretty soon, so won't need those seatbelts anymore. We're going to go full race drift car. Yeah, so for the most part, that's the majority of the carpet. Still got some more stuff. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take these door panels off or not. That might be overboard, but I do have another friend with a 350Z that has the door panels removed as well. But just with that carpet itself, that's at least 5 pounds, I'm not gonna lie. And all the other plastic that I put in the back of the truck already, it is pretty heavy. You wouldn't think it is, but anything makes a difference, I guess. And plus, it makes the car look cooler, and I also feel like I have a lot more space inside the car, so it is what it is. But, yeah.